Yeah, I didn't even get enough time to get my initial review, but yeah, I'm looking for higher prices off initially. Hold on, let me just try to zoom. Golly. So I mean, I just started from the get-go. So from the start, I mean, I'll go. We already took it out, but we already took out this level. You can hear me.
Yeah.
You can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll do this. I look, you wanted to I look, you wanted to describe it before it happened, but whatever. Because I was already initially looking for a higher bias. So so ah, I mean, price has been really choppy the past few days. You know what I mean? I look at these candles, but we've been kind of staying at bay as we see this wick right here. The halfway point prices have not been going any high lower than that, so prices really been at bay. Stuck at bay in that one area right there. And before we took it out, I mean, I was honestly initially looking for these highs to see all these highs that got marked out up here. That's what I was trying to look for. If we didn't take it out before, the
That's what I was
230.
looking for this morning. I didn't know.
This literally just formed right now. Like this is that. I mean, this is
Oh, I
not
wasn't paying
330,
attention.
but this is this high as well. I mean,
I wasn't paying attention. I
it's not.
think my
I mean,
clothes
even though we
more.
took this high out right here, I mean, it's very shallow. That's why. I mean, I could move it up here, but I'm gonna just keep it right. Because even if I did, I'll be fine taking my five for just a few handles. It has to be like picture perfect. So yeah, and then we had remember this is still the gap right here. Price came down, accumulated in this gap right here. Also, there's a.
Five.
Actually, no, it's not even a fair value. I thought this was. I just didn't see this one. So actually, it's just this right here. Is why. Hey, look at the bodies. I was respecting it. And then we go in the 5 minutes. Same thing. This actually this what I did. It's a fair value gap right here. The body stays within the volume and balance right here. And then at two, we just whip right through it. And then let's go to the 1 minute chart. Right here, this is a huge, actually, a pretty huge first presented fair value gap right here. So we have this, and look at this. The first presented fair value gap has the same exact, pretty much the same exact body like the body is the um within the imbalance. So look how price reacts. Come on, this is so cool. Look, price stings, it hangs. Look at the body, stays halfway point um of the imbalance right here, right? And then what happens at two? We shot up, took all the highs right now. So right now we're gonna wait until hold on, let me check something. Okay, so we're doing good. So like I said, we're gonna wait until 2:30 for the news release. The other news
Wait,
release happens
what I said though?
right here, 2:30. The press conference, or they call it FOMC minutes or whatever they want to call it. Now we're just waiting. Like I said, I mean, preferably, I mean, like FOMC, right? A lot of times at FOMC, the first move that happens, and then the second, it will, take out what happened on the first move. So,
So did we treat that as a first presented?
no, I mean, the first presented fair value gap, right, in the afternoon session is at 1:30. But I want you to look at the first presented fair. There's the reason why I don't have it marked out. This is the first presented fair. Look at this. The body is within also the volume and balance, which is also within the first presented fair value gap at 9. Do you see how perfect that? So that's why I didn't even mark. What's the point of me remark? I'm gonna just look at. this top to this halfway point of this balance, and that's essentially the first same thing. So you go to 130, right, and you look right after whatever first fair value gap after 130. That's what you would use, and it's this candle right here. So that's the reason why I don't have it up. But yeah, so that's how you would use it. You would use the afternoon, which is at 130, and it was just this essentially the same thing, you know.
My legs are sore. I don't know why my legs are sore.
So now we're just waiting. Wow, look at price just fell just short of the daily wick, and price came down, and it looks like it's accumulating at what the daily wick.
So I just hit in my hands until 2:30.
Yeah, at least a smart trader would do that. So look, I was just,
So I got
what
up
is,
for no reason.
you want to watch price? I mean, this, come on, like, I mean, I'm just saying, if you're a trade, you're gonna look at 230 and just have your charts ready.
Talk about a 10.
Yeah, no, yeah, I would never trade. If there's any like major news of, especially FOMC, I don't care if there's news.
I
I
mean, I
would
was looking
not.
at the market, but it really did nothing. So I was like, okay.
When
I
I was
mean,
looking at it, I mean, there was opportunity depending on what I mean, right here, if you try to sell into here, this is gigantic loss. But say if you had like a bullish bias, right, and you had this thing, you saw this flip right here, then potentially maybe you could buy
no, I'm not
here.
looking at the chart. I'm gonna
But
see
the
what I was.
only but the
Hold on,
only
hold on. I'm
thing,
not. I'm not looking at your chart. I'm just trying to see when
your
I was in the
stock would
market.
just be humongous. That's the only thing I'm gonna say. You would have a humongous
I mean,
stock.
I was looking for a buy the whole entire time.
I mean, me too. I'm bullish right now as well.
Yeah.
This is
So I
low key
mean,
what I kind of don't want to see. I mean, I like I love when price just consolidates, and then later we take out the high. Yeah, like it looks like we're gonna.
it took out the lows. Never mind. I was gonna say there's some lows. I mean,
Yeah, the
zoom out.
daily lows. Yeah, took out the daily low was right. You remember it hit here or whatever. That was the low from you. We already took it out. That's why I deleted it. Yeah, we took it out
Yeah.
right
So,
here.
but man, I'm looking for buys definitely now.
I mean, right now I am looking for buys, but price is like super like an alpha premium from where we are right now. It's gonna be tough to buy. Like that's the thing. It's gonna be at least to justify. I would have to see some type of manipulation first before I would want to get in because if you're like I said, if you're such an extreme premium, price could easily just come down and still be bullish. That's why you don't want to like, rush it.
Tired.
Hey man, get out the bed. Hold on. I'm gonna use the bathroom. I'm gonna be back.
Yes. Trash can. So you can put yourself on mute and live, and when you call, okay. And if you're still here, move the Zoom link, because I don't feel like going back and forth in the charts. Oh, y'all want to donate to me? I'll put my cash app.
Don't talk to my man like that. I like it when you like it. Ma, don't talk to my man like that. I like it when. Oh, you ain't fought nobody the whole time you been here, so just shut the fuck up. Bitch, what? How about that dog out there? What's a soulmate? It's, well, it's like a best friend, but more. It's the one person in the world who knows you better than anyone else.
God damn. Price. I got. Well, so Price just took up my high twice, but it's fine. That looks like a buy from a while. I mean, we took out these highs and stuff like that. Let me go on the 15. The sky is the floor. The floor is the limit. The limit. Price took out my liquidity. Don't be excited. As bad as ever. You know you deserve it. Pull up skirt. I'm gonna ride. Bruh, why? I have like 4 things open. I literally thought my camera was off. Bruh. No, I was not. Because I had 2 things open. I don't know how the hell that was possible. Well, delete the live. Or report your account. There's a decent amount.
All right. Okay, let me just get my iPad ready. So now we're officially ready to trade. Just getting down to the wires. A few minutes left. First time is sure hold on, I can check myself. So we're gonna say I might just start a new Zoom call. Like in a few minutes. So it doesn't like just reset while I'm like
Might as well just start now.
I'm gonna just wait a little bit. I'm gonna wait like that, like 2:55, like in 5 minutes.
Okay.
All right. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to pass the Apex account as well. Have 100 locked, locked and loaded. Either I pass or fail. And the thing about they don't draw. That's so annoying. You don't know how many
Wait,
winning
what? You
trades.
just how much contracts? Wait, what?
The max.
Why?
I could just pass it all in one shot.
Should I just do that with you?
No, I don't do it. Because the thing about Apex, right, their deal with, especially with the you have to pass it within their deal time to get the activation fee. It's like they're basically incentive you to, like, they want you to, like, to over leverage. Because they know the numbers, most people are gonna lose their account. But even for me, like, it's tough for me. I can still get a winning trade. Like, half of the times I do get a winner when I do try to do it, I do get a winning trade, but the trailing into the drawdown kills me. It's hard. Like, you just basically need enter and price just shoots up in your favor, like at least 15 handles minimum. Like, that's what you need basically to pass. You need like 15. Like, so with 100, I need 15 handles, which is not that much. But if price retraces against me,
Gamble.
like a little, if price goes up, right, like 7 handles, and then price comes back down, like 7 handles and drawdown, I blow their account. Like, that's how brutal it is.
Have you seen that video of a group of Indian people looking at the stock market? I'm pretty sure that had to be like FOMC or something.
Probably was.
He said, "Get ready for price to drop and price soared up."
Just make sure this is enough. This was 15. Why does it go? My inputs are good. All right.
Would you buy exactly at 230?
No, no. I gotta wait. I've done that before, and honestly, just wait.
I wouldn't.
It depends. Like, I've done it before. Like, it depends, like, how good the setup was.
Um, no, let me zoom out. Never mind. This range is horrid. Not really. If I'm looking for Monday's highs, I'm looking at. Did you see Jalen Brunson?
No, I have not watched basketball, so I don't know. Price. This fair value gap. It's important. At least to see if price would want to stay in bay. I'm like, this is perfectly fine. This is low-key kind of what I want to see, actually. Price drop a little bit. After this fair value gap right here.
Okay, price. Consolidate. Oh, okay, that's a 3 minute chart. I'm like, what the hell? What the hell, Leon say? Because we're hitting a 1 minute fair value gap. The hell is Burton? Okay, start a new one.
Hold on a second. Yo,
You trading?
yeah, I'm about to trade right now.
You trading at 230?
Yeah, about to trade in 2 minutes.
Traded this morning and I got like 150.
Uh,
150 this morning. It's to provide. So that shit this morning?
yeah, I was looking at it like a flip the first method, and then we went a little higher.
Once I flip that shit, I'll take that shit.
Yeah,
I'll say I take like a little 150, 150.
like started a new account or something like that.
Yeah, I got a 25K now.
So,
Back there, 425Ks.
Share your
uh,
screen.
so you're just you lowered your risk, right?
Yep, I lowered my rate.
So should
Yeah, no. Well, it was the only reason I filled my 150K account was because of one trade, bro, and I wasn't prepared to trade. I traded on my phone, so I didn't know how much I was risking and
yeah,
how
there's
much
one
I
thing.
put in.
Never trade on your phone. There's one thing, bro. Like, there's no point in never ever trading your phone.
Yeah, bro, that's what I know now. Steve from 2K, like my friends are
Yeah, I got you after.
yeah. You can stay on the Insta.
Yeah. Right now I'm on a Zoom with my sister right now. So
Right into the Zoom. I don't think. Let's do like a phone call. You could do a phone call. 'Cause I don't have the microphone on my laptop.
uh, I mean, if anything, just stay here, and then like I could just speak to you through here, and you can still look at it.
But I don't need to. I don't think I need to join the Google Meet.
All right, so then, all right, so you got that. All right, so right now, well, it's time for me to lock in, bro. We got a few more minutes. Let me just make sure I got everything.
Dave, there's a gap at exactly at 9:30. I don't know if you have it.
Where in the 1 minute? I mean, your
Yeah.
might be a little bit different
No, but I don't
because
see you have anything marked up at that time on your chart. Hold up, I
let me,
lost it. Oh, I'm in the wrong meeting. Hold up. Okay.
you can see
No.
my screen.
Yeah, I can see you now. I can see.
All right, so we got 2 more minutes, right? I'm looking at this fair value gap at 230 right here, right? Then I mean, it can go through it. It's fine. Because honestly, the most important fair value gap, in my opinion, is the first, but it's the fair value gap, right? And especially, you said what, Josh?
You said after 2:30, right?
Or for what?
Again?
No, not 9:30. The one at 9:30. I mean, for the afternoon session, it's at 1:30. But if you look at it, right, the 1:30 is within the 9:30. So I'm not even marking the 1:30 one. I'm the 1:30, fair value gap.
Oh, I see it. How come I didn't see it before? Okay, yeah, it's hitting them on the mean threshold because that's what I was talking about. Because I did not see it on your
So this
chart.
fair value gap,
The blue
I,
line. No, the blue
the,
line.
yeah, this is
Yeah,
the
that's the
halfway
first
point. Yeah,
presented. Yeah.
no,
I
this is
just
not. This is the halfway point of the wick. Not the first. This is the first presented. This purple line.
today.
Yes, today. Look, this is look. The first presented fair value gap was at 934. It was this big down candle touch. You see it? That big down
Yes, I
candle
see.
at
I
9.
see it. It's just because it's my thing is weird because I have a huge gap.
Like I
But
said,
yeah,
yours might be a little
yeah, I know
different.
it's
You're trying to.
different because it's hitting the gap perfectly at
If
9.
anything, I mean not now, but I could always just log in real quick, then log out, and we'll have the data.
I mean, I would just buy an Apex account. That's fine.
All right, 230. Here we go. So right now, I'm trying to see if right here. See right here. I'm trying to see if we could flip this area right here. That's the area that I'm looking at right now. And there's no rush, and no rush at all. You just wait. Just wait for price to give us what we want.
So tell me what you really want. So Price is hitting that
Actually,
wick.
I might remove this because this line is very confusing.
Excuse me.
And especially this line right here. If you could, you see this blue line. Actually, that's what I'm really eyeing the most. You see that the hat. This is a halfway point of the wick, right? If we can close above that, then I feel pretty strongly we could get at least back up to the. I think this was the morning session high. Create a fair value gap.
Oh, I'm
Price is
looking
hitting it.
for at the fair value gap it created at 5 this morning. And if we could close above that, that's what I'm looking for to get those highs that you're looking for. But I see
Uh,
there's stuff to stop it, like to block it. There's
for
an
me, the most another thing, right? The most important fair value gap levels, right, that you want to look at. I mean, I'm not saying something I'll still market that even though it's not within those times, right? Is within the kill session zones, right? So a fair value gap that's formed like within 9:30, right, to like 10:30 is going to be more important than a fair value gap formed at like 12 a.m. or something like that, or
I
like
understand,
11
but
a.m.
price is hitting that. It's bounce every time it touches it, it
I know,
bounces from.
I know. I'm just saying, just something for you to look at.
Yeah, I know, but it was such. I just see price bouncing back and forth
So
off of it.
this is actually a really good reaction right up here. You see, we hit a fair value gap, right? We're kind of bouncing off it right now. This is a really good reaction,
But for
right?
me, looking at, this is a trade I would take if I
High.
could close
I've
above
been looking for
here.
higher prices.
If I could close above here,
Yeah, right now, yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? This is wouldn't be too bad. Honestly, even right here, this could have been actually a decent trade. But like I said, I mean, this was exactly at 2:30. That's why I didn't want to like rush it right off the bat.
I think I'm addicted to ice cream. My stomach. Okay, yeah, that's a 3 minute candle.
What if it flips that fair value gap? Okay, you would enter. Where's your entry gonna be? I mean,
I'm looking
I
for
don't know. I have
entry
to
right
see. I have to wait. I have to see what price is. Like, I have to see what price forms, and then off that, I can like go off that. I'm sure.
there.
Yeah,
Okay,
but for flips, I'm looking at specifically. I'm looking at
that's how to word.
the 216 fair value gap.
Right now, I'm looking for an entry, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna get one. Okay, price took that out. Mm, just hit
Yeah, I
the
know.
wick, the main threshold.
I'm gonna try it out.
I think where
I'm
my
waiting for this
stop would
close right
be.
here, right underneath here.
I
I'm
guess.
trusting price can hold this in vain even if we have this underneath it. So that's what I'm trusting right now. And this is a
Mm, bro, I did not enter that. I gotta be
yeah,
kidding.
me too. I just missed it.
I'm press took my second liquidity I was looking for. Yeah, press might just run. I mean, this wouldn't be a bad entry if I could get a fair value gap. I'll put my stop below all of this nonsense around like what is that 2 to like 219. Let me see what that be. Um, this is pissing me off. If we could get an entry around here, I said a bad trade, but price has to come back a little bit.
It doesn't necessarily have it could just run.
I know. I mean, I could use this breaker. Boom.
See right here, there's a fair value gap right here, essentially.
Yo, trading view is pissing me off. Did I not enter? Bruh.
You have to
Okay.
wait. You have to
It
wait.
made me enter 5 times.
I know this. You have to wait.
I know. I mean, it was only 3 contracts. Whatever. And that's why I love breakers, by the way. Boom.
Mm,
I put my stop loss. right below here. I'm gonna take profit. I'm gonna sell one contract. I'm gonna move my stop. Stop to break even. Trading view sucks, and I thought Ninja Trader was bad. What is this? Price took me out, but I took out to my con.
Order
I'll take
submitted.
it. Are you still looking for an entry?
Yeah, I try to enter here, but it might be a late entry. I can't even lie. I think I got in way too
How the hell
late.
did I lose money when I moved up my stop to?
Because it's the spread. It's the
Okay.
spread. That's why it's the spread.
Looks like it's about to touch that fair value gap.
We just did.
I took. I didn't take my liquidity out technically. That's nasty.
Order filled. Order filled.
I thought FOMC would be more volatile. I
I
mean,
mean,
it
that
moved.
was pretty
Yeah,
volatile.
see, I moved, but I
That
thought
was
like
pretty
I
volatile.
remember. I think it was like 2 years ago. Every time around it, like it'll jump. Okay, I like that. You see, we hit the gap.
Now, price. I want to see a run right now. That's what I want to see. I want to see
Yeah.
price has any gas right now to run.
Do the dash, dash. Mm. Did they just lose yesterday?
Hmm?
I'll find out myself.
Order
God
submitted.
damn. God damn. Damn. I don't like that. Dave, I want you to think someone could be a sophomore in high school and have an experience just in the playoffs.
Don't worry about that.
Okay. There we go, Price. Would you move your stop to break even though you didn't take profit?
No, because I'm gonna get stopped out.
Oh, we entered somewhere else. Okay.
Yeah, there you go. It's good stuff.
God damn. Didn't take me out yet.
Order
So you
canceled.
blew your account?
I mean, yeah. I mean, it already happened within the first minute. Mm. All right, that's it for me. That's it for me. I'm your Josh. You can send me a party invite. Hold on. I'm gonna end this.
Chris is about to take me out.
Gosh. I'm gonna end the call.
Loser.